Brainwaves, Top 5 Neuroscience News Stories of the Week, June 18, 2023. Hello and welcome to this week's roundup of the 5 most fascinating discoveries in neuroscience. These are the top stories that have captured the imaginations of neuroscience news readers this week. Number 5. The adaptive eye. Survival dictates our visual perception. It turns out our visual perception, even at the microscopic level of the retina, adjusts to maximize personal benefits, based on the context and rewards of visual tasks. So, our biases don't just affect our decisions, they might shape the way we see the world. This insight not only deepens our understanding of human biases but could also help refine AI perception algorithms. Number 4. Interoception, a gateway to the neuroscience of self-awareness. Interoception is our ability to perceive our body's internal states. Recent studies reveal how this sense influences our emotions, decision-making, and even our sense of self. When this sense is impaired, it could contribute to mental health disorders like depression and eating disorders. But as we learn more about it, we could uncover better ways to treat these conditions. Number 3. Antihistamine sparks hope for myelin repair in multiple sclerosis. New research offers a glimmer of hope for patients with multiple sclerosis, an over-the-counter antihistamine called clemastine. This common drug has shown potential for brain repair, which was observed and measured using a newly developed MRI scan technique. This is the first ever evidence of MRI-documented brain repair for a chronic neurological condition, and it's a game-changer for future research. Number 2. From thought to text. AI converts silent speech into written words. A new AI semantic decoder takes brain activity and turns it into continuous text, offering a potential revolution in communication for those unable to speak due to conditions like stroke. The best part? No surgical implants are required. It's all done with non-invasive fMRI scanner data. Although it isn't perfect yet, this AI can capture the essence of a person's thoughts half of the time. Number 1. Psychedelics unlock learning windows in the brain. Research shows that psychedelic drugs can reactivate critical periods in the brain when it's highly sensitive to learning signals. These findings could have therapeutic implications for conditions like stroke and deafness. The research sheds light on how psychedelics affect molecular mechanisms in the brain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.